Hey everybody, thanks for checking us out here at CBS News Colorado. A little weather whiplash on the way. We got two systems that are going to merge, first to bring us fire danger and then the snow. A cold front dropping out of Canada and a cutoff low that's been sitting off the coast of California. So the cold front will affect us first tomorrow. As it pushes in, it pushes the pressure gradient. A little windy across the eastern plains along with some fire danger that's going up. Then this cutoff low brings the moisture into the cold air. So most of the central Rockies will be picking up some snow Thursday night into Friday, and it will spill over into the eastern plains. So Denver will be in line on picking up some snow, as will some of eastern Colorado all the way out to the Kansas line. Now, initially tomorrow, temperatures will be in the 70s and 60s here to the northeast. A little cooler with that cold front coming through in the afternoon. 80s down to the southeast, 50s in the mountains, and will be 60s and 70s out on the western slope for high temperatures. Now, with those temperatures, we're going to have some wind, and some of the wind could kick up to about 40 miles per hour in the Denver metro area. We have a fire weather watch 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. for tomorrow, and that extends into a red flag warning. The red areas, pretty much a slam dunk. You're going to have fire weather conditions. Any little spark can take off, with gusts of wind going 40 to 45 from time to time, and humidity levels about 5 to 10%. It does include parts of the western slope and southern Colorado and eastern Colorado as well. Then we transition from that into the moisture. So let's talk about that. Morning tomorrow, clear along the I-25 corridor, a little bit of rain mixed with snow in the northern mountains up this way, north of I-70. By afternoon, the cold front starts to move through. Snow in the mountains, and this is the nighttime image here. About 9 p.m., a little rain mixed with snow around the Denver metro area, and then overnight into Friday, snow starts to develop from here out into the mountains. But I think the bulk of the snow that we will see here in eastern Colorado happens Friday afternoon into Friday night as that energizes, and it will continue into Saturday morning as well. Big snow amounts in the mountains. Western slope has advisories for up to 4 to 12 inches of snow. Steamboat down through Aspen. The light blue shaded area, that's a winter storm watch. A little bit more snow, about 7 to 16. Winter Park down through Summit County, and right along our higher foothill locations here on the west side, about 4 to 10 inches of snow there, and that all extends into southern Colorado, where many of the southern mountains, including Pikes Peak, could see anywhere from 6 to 12 inches of snow, maybe even more in some of the San Juans, the way things look right now. For the Denver metro area now, this is all going to be wet snow, a lot of melting initially, so most of these inches will be on the grassy areas, not as much on the roadways, although it will be slushy and sloppy by the time we get to Friday afternoon. So we're looking at about 3 to 6 here in town, the way things look right now. You get in and near the foothills a little bit more, so like Boulder, Golden, some of those areas could have about 4 to 9 inches, and about 5 to 12 inches in many locations like Nederland, Blackhawk, and the higher areas around Idaho Springs as well. That's the way it looks like right now. We're still 2 days out on the storm. A lot can change between now and then, but that's our latest handle on what the moisture is going to be. Tomorrow, though, it's going to be windy and mild early on. Low 70s in most locations from Firestone, Brighton, all the way down into Castle Rock, up into Greeley, Windsor, Loveland, Fort Collins. Upper 60s there, a little bit cooler because you will experience that cooler air coming in before the rest of the city. And in Littleton tomorrow, if you're going into any of these neighborhoods, 73 in Marston, Kipling Hills and Columbine should be all right around 73 degrees. Downtown Denver, partly cloudy, spotty showers, 40s for the overnight low into the morning tomorrow. High tomorrow, low 70s, that fire weather watch we've been talking about with the red flag warning and the first alert weather day. And then Friday, only 37. That's the snow day. 44 on Saturday. Might have a little snow left over in the morning and a rain snow mix in the afternoon. And then by Easter, isolated showers in 61, upper 60s to start next week. We might get a return of showers coming up in the middle of next week.